Now, once you know what to generate, we need to go to ChatGPT or Cloud AI or another AI of your choice, and we will ask it to generate a prompt. Now, why do we need this? Because you want to give as much detail as possible and you want it to be pretty concise and descriptive, and AI is just pretty good at it. So what we can do is we can just tell AI like a bunch of random stuff and not cohesive words, and then AI will put it into perfectly balanced sentences that we are going to copy and then paste into our video generation of AI. So for this video, I'd like to generate a person who's going to become very small, the size of the ant, basically shrinking to the size of the ant, and being surrounded by ants, and then the ants are going to kind of come from the sides close to the person. An important note, I will tell ChatGPT to generate both the video and an image. Why? Because it is a lot easier to generate an image first and then animate that image instead of generating a video right away. It's way easier to generate a frame than the whole video, and then it's also easier to animate that frame or to make changes to that frame so that you have more control over this process. Hey ChatGPT, you are a prompt writer for AI that's going to generate a video for us. The video is going to be the final output, and I need you specifically to generate two things: one image prompt and one video prompt. The image is going to be an initial frame of the video, and then from that frame we'll start the animation. So what we'll generate is we'll generate a person, a man, roughly 25 years old, that is shrunk to the size of an ant. And we will have this very small world of the insects fill the frame. We're going to have a man standing on the ground, surrounded by insects. We need to have grass and all sorts of like greenery around, and in the background, the focus is going to be on the person, and the person is going to be kind of surprised that he's in that. So that's going to be in terms of the image. And then for the video, we need ants to surround our person and then get close to him as if they want to be on top of that person. So I need you to generate these two prompts. Make sure that they are concise and descriptive enough to generate the scenes. There you go. So once we have that, I'm going to send, and we'll have ChatGPT generate two prompts. Okay, so the image prompt, great. Sometimes it will give descriptions like 8K, which we can delete because we're actually going to set this ourselves, but this is good. So this length is okay. If it gets a little bit longer, then it can be a little bit too much and it's going to take a bit more time to generate. In terms of the video, let's see. Okay, good. So we have our two prompts. Let's jump into the next video and start generating.